Finally on the side here, today is the 30th of July 2020. There's Vuollemutka 5 staircase in Louhela, Knipsta, near Vuollemutka, Vantaa, Vantaa, Finland. 4 persons, 23 bedrooms.
Siis asutuskeyhtiö Myyrinkiuru.
Yeah, and I think this could be the same as the early 1986 one.
Yeah.
Possibly it is. So this is from late 1985. It's the original bottom panel. Still here. And now it's 1986, or 1986, H64164 with 10 floors. It's better than the right one, although the right one is amazing too, but this is even more amazing.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021, when it's turning 35 years old. But yeah, so it's late 1985 and early 1986 here. One of them is 85, two others are 86.
Yeah.
We have only got the taller 1982 classic elevator left to film here, or for me at least.
Yeah.
We can try it. Maybe we are lucky there too.
Yeah.
Who knows? Original panel here too. Amazing. I love the relays. Yes. Forget button is pressed more times than me.
Yeah.
I think because more people living here are using the parking lot than in the other staircases. Maybe that's why the K is pressed quite a lot of times. It's quite torn.
Inspekteerbaartje var inspekterat med dödbarskiller.
And I have a feeling that this is the most original elevator here.
Yeah.
Maybe we can take another ride if nobody else is downstairs.
Yeah.
Not at the moment. Yes. And it has full memory.
Yeah.
I really like also these. But I want the other, I want the last classic one. 1982 or 81 it could be also.
Yeah.
Then of course we have also 6 floors high, probably from 1982 to 84, also nearby, and maybe a few more with pop-out.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are a lot of. Yeah. Pretty successful day.
Yeah.
Like where we go, we get inside. Almost everywhere.
Yeah.
Because that is not normally the case. Normally it is very difficult. Like these days, especially this year, I think it's been even more difficult than last year. But I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
But it's always been difficult. So actually, as I have found now that all the 3 of these 1985,
but we
86,
start.
I can also publish them soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the ground floor or lower ground
This
floor.
is the lower ground floor, maybe from the upper ground floor P.
Oh.
Yeah, we can stop there. There's an old looking sign there. But I don't know if that sign is original. Maybe it was added in the 1990s.
That's